Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. So today we're gonna have a look at the new Binance Launchpad, and I will show you guys how you can join this Launchpad to get the new ARKM tokens. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as usual, all we have to do is to hold BNB. Starting today, you can see this is the starting date. It started 3 a.m. and it will last for 6 days, and the subscription period is July 17. So we're gonna be holding our BNBs for 6 days, nearly a week if you take the hours into account. And then on this day, July 17, we're gonna subscribe and lock our BNBs. And in exchange for that, they will give us ARKM tokens. If you've watched any of our previous Binance Launchpad videos, the system is the same, nothing has changed. Now, the single initial investment, which means the minimum amount of BNB that you can hold to join this presale, is 0.1 BNB. Obviously, the more BNB you hold, the more ARKM tokens you will get. And you can see one ARKM is 0.05 USD, and there are 50 million ARKM tokens offered in this launchpad. Now, you can hold your BNBs in these accounts. It doesn't have to be your spot account balance. As you can see here, you can hold your BNBs in all of these accounts. Doesn't matter, it can be simple or an account balance, DeFi staking account balance, doesn't matter, but you have to hold BNBs. And as I said, holding BNBs has started today, and it will last until July 17, and on July 17 you will have to open this page again and subscribe using here. This panel will change and you will be able to subscribe. And as I said, you will lock your BNBs. And as you can see, after the calculation period, there's the final token distribution. Depending on how much BNB you held between July 11 and July 17, you'll get your ARKM tokens. Now you know how to join this launchpad, and that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also, if you have any extra questions, you can ask us in the comments down below, and also on our Telegram Community Global channel. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.